Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we have 4 bus services that leave at 7 AM. Okay, so this one we'll keep it later. These 4 services leave at 5, 8, 10 and 12 minutes interval. So find the time where they next leave the interchange again. I hope you all can see that this is a LCM problem. So I'm going to approach this using the LCM problem. So 5, 8, 10 and 12, 4 numbers. I'm going to make use of the short division method. And out of these 4 numbers, as long as there's a common prime factor among the 4, I will start. And I saw that there is a common prime factor 2 amongst 8, 10 and 12. So I would divide by 2 such that the 5, we continue to write it as it is. 8 can divide by 2, this one will be 5, 12 divided by 2 is 6. And 4 and 6 we still can divide by 2. So the 5, keep it as it is, this 5 as well. 4 divided by 2 is 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and there is no more common prime factor 2. I move on to the next. There is also no common prime factor 3. So the next common prime factor among the 4 numbers, any 2 I see is 5. So I'm going to divide by 5. Here's still 2, here's 1, and this is 3. And with that, we stop here because there is no longer any more prime number. So we stop. Okay. So the lowest common multiple here that we would have is equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 1 times 1 times 3. So it's 2 power 3 times 3 times 5, and that will give me a value of 120. So going back to this question, you will then see that it will be 120 minutes later that they will next leave the interchange together. And so the final answer, we'll have to look at this again, and first of all, you do need to take note that the LCM is 2 hours, and therefore a quick working here would then be 7 AM, 2 hours later, 9 AM. So the answer, so the time when the 4 bus services leave the interchange together will be equals to 9 AM. We have come to the end of this video, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.